In this video, we will show you how to replace your transmission output shaft speed sensor on this Ford Ranger. This will be located under your vehicle along the driver's side of your transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the transmission output shaft sensor, you're going to make your way underneath the vehicle along the driver's side. You'll find that sensor is located pretty much out in the open. For the sensor itself, it will have one electrical connector leading to it. Go ahead and squeeze in on the locking tab and gently pull that out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and set that wiring aside. Now that we confirm the connector is good, let's move along to our T27 mounting bolt. You're going to have to use a T27 and it's pretty much shaped like a star. Ours is stripped out, so I'll be using a twist socket to remove it. Give your bolt a quick inspection and replace it as necessary. Let's continue on to removing that sensor from the transmission. You'll have to pull it straight out towards the driver's side. If you have to use a pry bar to gently pry it, be careful not to break it off in the transmission. There it is, friend. The next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the mounting point on the transmission where your sensor will go. Confirm there's no debris in this area. Okay, it's time for the installation of our transmission output shaft speed sensor. Make sure you lubricate the rubber O-ring. Once you've done so, carefully slide it into position and align your mounting bolt hole. Once it's completely bottomed out, start in that mounting bolt by hand, snug it up, and torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Now it's time for the electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click, and make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we finished the installation of our transmission output shaft speed sensor. At this point, carefully make your way out from under the vehicle. Start up your vehicle, let it run for a little while, take it for a road test, and make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.